200 grams ginger, 2 lemons, put all the ingredients in the cooking pot. Add 700 milliliters water. Two cinnamon sticks.
Boil the ginger, lemon, and cinnamon for 3 minutes.
After 2 minutes of boiling the ingredients, mix it together and let it boil for another 1 minute. The ginger, lemon, and cinnamon tea is ready. Please cover it for 5 minutes to cool down before serving. Ginger, lemon, and cinnamon tea offers the following health benefits: relief from nausea, weight loss, improved immunity, reduced risk of cardiovascular and liver disease. Ginger, lemon, and cinnamon tea is the tea that cures every sickness. You can drink it anytime during the day. Please do not throw away the boiled ingredients. Boil it as many times you want. Thank you so much for your time and watching. Bye bye.